Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&O Forex Traders. I'm yet again back with another beautiful video for you guys. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys a breakdown of our QM buy setup that we'll always look for in the market before we make any buying decisions. All right, so stick around and watch the rest of the video and for you to be able to actually identify this particular setup. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a nice bonus, so make sure you pay particular attention until the very end. All right. Right, so as you can already see here, we have a beautiful drop base rally setup. So you always have to make sure that you are trading in the direction of the market. Okay, so in this particular case, you're going to find this setup when the market is going to the upside. Therefore, you are going to look for buying opportunities. If the market is going to the downside, you're looking for selling opportunities. That is extremely important. Okay, so you have the market giving you a retracement, giving you a lower low and lower high. All right, so we have a QML lower low. All right, and then the market breaks the recent higher low. The market takes out this right here, and when this happens, it means that there's a most likely change of direction, right? So it's no longer going to the downside. Now the market is pushing to the upside, and then what we have here is a nice order block on the lower time frame. So you go to the lower time frame, find the order block, find the order block, refine it so that you have a smaller stop loss, and then wait for the market to come to this level. And then while you're waiting, you always have to make sure that there's some sort of liquidity. So in this case, we have equal highs right here, so we have equal lows, sorry, which we left behind here, which is our liquidity. So our job is to wait for that liquidity to be taken out, and then wait for the market to come into our POI, most likely on the lower time frame. Then wait for a bullish signal to actually buy, and once you have your bullish signal to buy, then you execute. It's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. All right, it is as simple as that. Okay, the market is in an uptrend. Wait for a retracement. All right, and then you have a QML, you have a low. Sometimes you won't even have a QML. All you have is going to be a drop based rally. That's okay. What you do is that make sure that candle that there's supposed to be a candle that breaks this structure right here. Once the market breaks this structure, that's a good sign. All right, and then usually this is caused by a big momentum candle. Once that happens, you have to make sure that there's liquidity which was left behind, and we always wait for the liquidity to be taken out. And once the liquidity has been taken out, you wait for the market to come into this area. Don't be in a rush to try and enter a particular trade. Be patient and wait for the setup to really come to your area. And once that has happened, you wait for your entry signal, and then you execute. Well, predefine your risk already in advance. That is extremely important, and I cannot overemphasize that. All right, so if you can master this particular setup alone, trust me, it will help you become a consistently profitable trader. Always look for this kind of setup when the market is going in an uptrend. All right, so let me just show you an example. I mentioned about this example as in some of my previous videos. This is of course on US oil that we took this earlier this week. All right, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So let's zoom out. What are you able to see? You can clearly see that since December of last year, the market has been going to the upside, continually breaking structure. Therefore, it's safe to assume that the market is in an uptrend. Okay, so all right, great. So we have the market is in an uptrend. That's very good. So let's see here. What do we have? We have a drop base rally. Remember, the market is pushing to the upside still, right? So let's go to the 2-hour time frame so that we can see it much clearer there. So we can see that the market gave us a nice drop base rally. Okay, and then we have a break of structure. That is extremely. So if you go to the 4 hour time frame, you're going to see that there was a bit of a wick there, which is might not much very significant, but it is actually very significant. All right, so we have a break of structure to the upside, breaking this high, the recent high right here, and on top of that, we have liquidity which was left behind right here. That is extremely important. Remember, I showed you why we have to have liquidity there. Okay, and then also on top of this liquidity equal lows, we have also had the Asian session, which we had to wait for it to be taken out before we could actually get involved. All right, so of course right here the stop loss is just going to be too big. What do? You go to the lower time frame. All right, I remember I went like to the 5-minute time frame for me to get my order block, and then once that happened, check. So if you come here, just do this. You see, we went for this particular candle right here, which is much clearer on the 5 minutes time frame. I think, yeah, it must be very much clear on the 5 minutes time frame. Let me zoom out. I show you guys. Let me just show you how this was done. Remember, this video was actually documented from the forecast and everything. So if you haven't watched the other video, make sure you do. All right, so I got this candle right here. This is what I got as my last candle right there, and then I waited for the market to come to that particular area, and you can see that if you look here, you can see that the market literally just tapped into our zone, and then guess what, it pushed to the upside, and this market actually when it went all the way to 1 to 30 risk to reward ratio, 1 to 31 risk to reward ratio right here. Our stop loss was 12 pips and our target was 393. This was a beautiful trade, and the forecast and everything was shared in our private community. Let me just show you. Like I've said, I've made a video about this already, so this is me repeating myself and also demonstrating how you trade the buy setup every time it appears. All right, so we forecasted this particular pair and then all that happened. So it's extremely important for you to wait for all your entry criterias, wait for your signal to actually develop. Don't just jump into trades without having all your criteria made. Like I've said, this was the trade forecast that we gave right here, waiting for the market to come to this level. We had a nice drop base rally, break of structure to the upside, and you can see right here there's no QML. So after that happened, we waited for the market to take out this liquidity, and then once the market came to this area, we executed, and it tended up. It went up all amazing. It was a beautiful 1 to 31 risk reward ratio. Absolutely amazing trade. All right, so this is the power of our QM plus fake out setup on the buy side. A beautiful trade, and yeah, let me just show you. This is the same thing that we're looking at right here. Very basic stuff. Drop base rally, then we have a break of structure, wait for liquidity to be taken out, wait for the market to come into your area, go to the upside. Make sure you go to the lower time frame and find the order block. All right, find the order block. Once you find that, and make sure that this candle, the break structure right here, is made up of big momentum candles. So if you check even our candle right here, look at the candles that broke structure to the upside. Look at these candles. These are big candles right here breaking structure. So that is extremely important. This tells you that there's presence of smart money. Also, an important thing to note here is that the market, or you should always look for inefficiency candles like these ones right here. This tells you that the market is most likely to come back to that particular area for the market to be efficient. That is extremely important, guys. So yeah, I thought I could share with you guys. Most of the time I share with you guys the sell setups. This is the buy setups and everything. So it's extremely important for you to know. All right. So if you want the detailed explanations, detailed tutorial which goes deep and very deep into our strategy, we have our M&F mastery course right here. A very brief course. We cover the strategy right here, about 11 videos, detailed, as you can see from here. Like, we cover from the basics, details on how to trade our strategy. Okay, and apart from that, you will also have videos on risk management, detailed videos that are going to help you master risk management, what you're supposed to look for, and everything else. And then also we have a ton of videos on our trading psychology, because we understand how important the trading psychology is. All right, then you also get to walk away with our strategy ebook right here. Very important. It also summarizes all that, and then you also get to go with our audiobooks on by Mark Douglas, both the Discipline Trader and trading in the zone. Very, very important stuff. So right now, for today, from today, the 1st of March, we are going to be running a promotion which is going to run for 5 days, offering you guys 50% off the cost. The cost usually goes for $200, $250, sorry, and from today onward, the cost will go to half of that, which will be $125. So make sure you go to our M&F Mastery course, the first link in the description, so that you get yourself our course, so that you are able to make yourself a consistently profitable trader. Very, very important. So make sure you go either on a Facebook. If you're watching this from Facebook, make sure you check out our first link in the description. If you are watching this from YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to our course, and then this course is going to be able to actually give you all that information that you need. It's extremely, extremely important. All right, so I know right now it's actually showing $250, but it will change to $125 when I'm done recording this video. All right, so make sure you check our course if you want to achieve the consistency that you're looking for. And with the strategy, trust me, you'll be able to do this on a regular basis on your own, and then you have a community where you're able to ask questions. If you're not clear on any particular thing, you can ask me at any particular time. All right, you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like a video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye and happy new month. All right, bye.